Hello, kids! Welcome to Iqra Kids. Today we are going to learn about toys. Are you ready? Let's start and have fun together.
This is a teddy bear. A teddy bear is soft and cuddly. Children love to hug and play with a teddy bear. This is a doll. Children love to dress, carry, and play with a doll. This is a tricycle. Children ride a tricycle for fun and exercise. This is a ball. We throw, catch, and kick the ball while playing.
This is a rocking horse. Children sit on it and rock back and forth.
This is a bat and a ball. We play cricket with a bat and a ball.
This is a toy car. Children push and drive the toy car while playing.
This is a scooter. Children ride a scooter carefully and have fun.
This is a top. We spin the top and watch it twirl around.
These are building blocks. Children build houses, towers, and castles with blocks. This is a kitchen kit. Children enjoy pretend cooking and serving food.
These are marbles. Children roll and play with marbles carefully.
Great job, kids! Today we learned about different toys. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please like, share, and subscribe to Iqra Kids for more fun learning videos. See you next time! Bye-bye!